One SQL typo could expose your entire database. Here's how parameterized queries stop it. When you build a SQL query by concatenating user input directly into a string, you're mixing code with data. An attacker can type something like single quote OR1 equals 1 and completely rewrite your query's logic. Parameterized queries fix this by keeping the SQL structure and the user values completely separate. The template is defined once and data slots in later. They never merge. Here is the key insight. The database receives the SQL command and your user data as two entirely separate payloads. It never tries to parse the user's input as SQL. Even if someone types SQL keywords, semicolons, or quotes, the engine treats it as a plain string. Something to compare or store, not execute. The injection vector simply does not exist. Under the hood, the database driver precompiles the query first, locking in the intended logic before any data arrives. Then it binds values to type placeholders. Question marks in SQL 3 or percents in SQL 2. In Python, cursor.execute takes the query string as the first argument and a tuple of values as the second. The driver escapes everything automatically. Parameterized queries keep SQL logic and user data completely separate, making injection impossible at the language level. Use them every time you touch a database. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.